Hey guys, today's recipe is dhokla, so let's begin. Adding 1.5 cup of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of semolina, half cup of yogurt, half cup of water, but add it gradually. One chopped green chilli, teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, one teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, grease your pan by using oil and keep it ready. At the same time, I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of fruit salt, sprinkle some water on it and give a quick as well as a short mix to it. Transfer the batter to the greased pan. Dab it well. Microwave it for 5 minutes. Let it to cool down. Until then, let's make the syrup. Add sufficient oil. Followed by 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. A pinch of asafoetida, eight to 10 curry leaves and 2 slitted green chilies with half cup of water, one teaspoon of sugar. Switch off the flame at this boiling stage. Cut the dhokla to pieces. Pour the tempering on it. Enjoy the dhokla with some peanut chutney. If you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification.